Started the siding with the oak. Got a few more boards to get in there. So the cabinet is in process still. I put the siding up here. I'm gonna build a frame. I don't have a table saw here. I'll build that somewhere else and then bring it back. But I glued the sink on and the soap dish. That's the soap dish right there. I installed the faucet. I have the, I don't know what these are called. I'm gonna push that little button down in there somehow. Keeps the water out. There's a hole underneath this one too. Also cut down this door. It was too tall, so I cut it down, and it's gonna fit on this cabinet right in front. Maybe I'll get to that tomorrow or the next day. So he cut up that locust log, and you can see it's not rotten at all. It was dead, but this is hard as a rock. And that's what they make fence posts out of, locust wood, and it lasts for like 100 years. So we're gonna use these as tables. Cut them off even and sit them upright and to go around the fire pit. So I put molding here, down there, and then I just did this molding here. So it just finishes off. And we'll probably stain it, this color stain, which is early American. Okay. Well, countertop, sink, it's all done.
2 extra boards?
Gotta hook this all up yet, but that won't be too hard.
Are these all extra boards?
Hung up some towel hangers and a mirror, and I framed that out. So, toilet, that's the only thing left. Don't say that. having him stand those upright so we can use them as tables and leave enough room for chairs between them. I do not remember where we got all this metal roofing, but it's a lot, and I'm glad we have it because we will be taking it to our lake property, which I'll try to leave a link to that at the end of the video, and you can see where we're going to put it. I think I need 7 8-foot long pieces, and I think I've got it in this metal. Getting closer to finished. And a few coat hanging racks, a mirror, yeah. Framing. Yeah, just the toilet. Can't figure out, can't seem to get that thing threaded up there with a shower head. So they have a lifetime guarantee, so they're gonna send us a new one, I guess.